and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we do have a 2019 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury in the color Black Raven. Under the hood you do have a 6.2 liter V8 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle riding on 22-inch tires. At the front you do see we do have the chrome grille, the LED headlights, and the front sensors there. All right, now for the fun part. So on the door we have plenty of storage, more cup storage, our automatic window, get down there. We have fully covered weather mats in the back of this vehicle that goes all throughout. Plenty of seat storage in the front of either seat. We have our charging ports down there, some more storage. We have our tri-climate control zone back here as well, and some heated seats. In the center, we have our DVD center. Moving back, we have our lever right here, so we'll click that, and that gives you our third row seating. Plenty of space. Now that we're inside, as you see, we do have our memory seat adjusters, our power lock doors, as well as our power lock windows. We do have our automatic side mirrors. We have our automatic headlights, as well as our four-wheel drive modes. Going over to our center dash, we have 177,000 kilometers on the vehicle, as well as the speed indicator in the center. We also have heads-up display. Going down on the steering wheel to the left-hand side, we have the heated steering wheel, as well as front collision centered for our cruise control. To the right, we have our audio controls. Moving over, we have a push to start stop engine. Our gear shifter is right there. The screen, we do have a navigation. This vehicle also does come equipped with a backup camera, and it is a bird's eye view. We have our pedal adjusters there to the left. Going down, we have our heated and ventilated seats, as well as a DVD slit. Moving a little further down, we have plenty of storage space, as well as some charging ports, cup holders, and a wireless charging pad. Thank you for watching our video on the 2019 Cadillac Escalade. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come on and we will be happy to help you.